Hello everyone, welcome to Read English channel. Hello everyone, welcome to back to Read English channel. So today topic is teacher and student conversation. So let's start. Teacher, good morning student. Student, good morning teacher. Teacher, how are you today? Student, I'm fine, thank you. How are you? Teacher, I am fine too. Thank you for asking. Student, teacher, I want to improve my English. Can you help me? Teacher, of course, the best way to improve English is to practice every day. Student, what should I practice? Teacher, practice reading, speaking, listening, and writing every day. Student, I feel nervous when I speak English. Teacher, don't worry, everyone makes mistakes. Mistakes help us learn. Student, really? Teacher, yes, every fluent English speaker was once a beginner. Student, that gives me confidence. Teacher, very good. Confidence is important. Never be afraid to speak. Student, sometimes I don't know the meaning of English words. Teacher, keep a small notebook, write new words every day and revise them. Student, how many words should I learn every day? Teacher, learn 5 new words every day. After 1 month, you will know many new words. That's good idea, teacher. Also read English stories and simple passages. Student, should I read aloud? Teacher, yes. Reading aloud improve your pronunciation and confidence. Student, how can I improve my listening? Teacher, listen to English videos, podcasts and conversations every day. Student, sometimes people speak very fast. Teacher, that's normal. Start with slow English. Slowly your listening skill will improve. Student, should I watch English movies? Teacher, yes. Watch them with English subtitles. Subtitles. It helps you learn new words and sentence patterns. Student, I don't have anyone to speak English with. Teacher, yes. Many successful learners practice this way. Teacher, even 30 minutes every day is enough if you are consistent. Student, consistency is most consistency is more important than studying for many hours, right? Teacher, exactly. Small daily practice brings big results. Teacher, student, teacher, what is the secret to learn English? Teacher, the secret is simple. Practice every day, never give up, believe in yourself. Student, thank you. Thank you, teacher. I feel motivated to now. Student, thank you, teacher. I feel motivated now. Teacher, I am happy to hear that. Remember, learning English is a journey, not a race. Student, I will practice every day. Teacher, excellent. I believe you will become a confident English speaker. Student, thank you for your guidance. Teacher, you are welcome. Keep learning, keep smiling, and keep practicing. Student, I will have a nice day, teacher. Teacher, have a wonderful day. Goodbye. Student, goodbye. Thank you for reading this conversation with us. Practice this dialogue every day to improve your English reading, pronunciation, vocabulary, and speaking confidence. See you in the next video. Happy learning.